Hey everyone, Matt King with the Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited before, it's just a simple search, Piers LLC, and while you're there, it'd be great if you could leave a like and subscribe. We're out here, this is the final day of our project in Lee Summit, Missouri. Just to do another brief overview of this project, it is one of our full scope foundation repairs. Our four different repairs that we are doing in this full scope foundation repair, straightening the wall, bracing it, piering it, and the crack repair. So right now we have just finished getting the rest of the floor cracks sealed that we have access to. We have a little spot right here that we're going to be getting once we move the pre-existing I-beams. We're going to move those to the garage for the customer and get that sealed up. But we've sealed this morning where the wall and the floor meet. All the remaining floor cracks that were left over from yesterday are all taken care of. We've gone back over our epoxy on the walls with new polyurethane. We've got this was a really big crack here that we've got sealed up, so that's looking good. So all this is just about finished up. The crew is outside getting the dirt backfilled. We're getting that looking nice and neat. We just talked with the homeowner here, the customer. They were able to see how everything is looking so far. They appear to be very happy with the work. Both walls were straightened just like we said they would be. The piering that was done on Tuesday and Wednesday, we got a lot of the floors raised back up to the correct level elevation, so that was good there. Even with all the big rains on Monday before we started doing the crack repair, the work that we had done on sealing, on straightening the walls and the initial piering, no water was getting in, so that made this part of the process very, very easy to get that done without needing to dry out the area or anything like that. So yeah, everything is going exactly as we said it would. They know exactly what we've done to get their house back where it should be. So yeah, everything is looking great. Another great job by the Piers team out here in Lee Summit. Again, just want to point out if you go back and look at the first video when we started this project, when these I-beams were in place, you could see how the previous company had attached those I-beams, how they secured the I-beams up into the floor joist. They had a metal plate, you can see right there, that they had bolted to the underside of the floor joist. We don't do that, obviously. We showed yesterday exactly how we do ours. Very engineering sound. We bolt everything from the side, new 6x6s, new treated wood here, so everything is much more structurally sound. This house is stable, it's not going to move. So yeah, just a great repair from the Piers team out here in Lee Summit. So for all your foundation and piering needs, if you ever have any kind of foundation issues that you are concerned with, you want it looked at by a professional, please give us a call, 816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, contact us through there. And again, you can visit us on YouTube and Facebook, see all of our current and past projects. Just search for Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you.